Just stay.
Yeah, it was like panicking because all of a sudden you're like, what the heck? What's like coming towards us?
We can see it. Oh my gosh.
Allie.
We're fine. We're getting past it.
Oh my
Those
gosh.
cars need to stop back there.
Why would they still have us going through here? It is right there. Are you kidding me right now?
It's gonna stop at the road. It's just brush. It's not like it's trees. If it was trees, it'd be a lot more dangerous. It's just brush. Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh. What now? What do we do now? What do we do? I don't know what to do.
We just sit here. We just sit here.
Holy, I don't know what we do.
We just stay here. Just stay here.
We should have gone the other side of the...
Just stay here. Just stay here. Just stay. Just stay. Just stay. Just stay. Stop moving. Just stay.
This car's gonna hit me.
Just stay. Don't leave your vehicles, you idiots. It's okay. Okay, go. Go, 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 go. Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight. Can you get over if you can? Get over if you can. See, look, it's just brush. We're okay. We're okay. Just keep going straight. See, it's just brush. It's just small flames.
Oh my gosh.
It's just small flames. Just stay here where we can see. See, look, just small flames. It's just small. I don't know why people are getting out of their cars. That's a dumb thing to do. Okay, just stay behind. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Slow. And just stay behind Target, because we can see Target. Stay behind Target. We like Target. See, it's just all dead smoke now, Mom. It's fine. It got to the road. We're fine. If the road can't catch on fire, that's a good thing.